Forever Rich, this shit hard.
Nah, I hear you.
YouTube, man, what's happening, man? It's your boy, man, Life with Jay with a back. I can't talk today. Back with another video, guys. This video gonna be epic. Y'all probably already see by the title, man. We are back, going back to the Rick Ross Car Show, man. I was actually supposed to start this video yesterday, which was Thursday, but man, yesterday was hell, bro. I had to, at the last minute, had to go find stuff to wear, clean up the vehicles, even though it ended up raining again. And then they had to do some stuff around the house too. But before we get into that, man, I want to say, man, shout out to y'all, bro. That last video, man, it did real good. I appreciate that, for real. Definitely let's do that again with this video, guys. As y'all can probably see by the title, man, we taking a squatted truck to the promised land, you know what I'm saying? So, the actual show is tomorrow, not today. And then we got two shows. So we got the Rick Ross show tomorrow, and then you got Street Whip show, which is at the racetrack on Sunday. So we hitting both of those, guys. So stay tuned for that. Also, let's see what else we got going on. That's really it. Today is check-in day. We headed to go drop all the cars off at the property at the promised land. As y'all know, I came last year and I bought the big truck. This year we going and we taking the squatted Tahoe, guys. And we might even try to get some people's opinions on it in the video. See how people like it. Oh, I had also took the guys, I took the airbags out of the Tahoe, man. They was giving me problems. They was leaking. That lady almost got ran over. But they was giving me problems. They was leaking. I was having problems with the solenoids. It was just, and I know what it is. It's the truck had the airbags on it, whoever did them, but they was done incorrectly. I won't say incorrectly because they did work, but they had some flaws. So everything kind of needs to be taken out, rewired, and then put back in. So what I ended up doing was get some coil springs, put some coil springs in. And probably gonna leave the coil springs in for now until I get the time to rewire everything, rerun lines. None of the connections, fittings had Teflon tape on them, so I'm pretty sure that's why everything was leaking too, because it would air up, but it wouldn't stay up. It would air itself back down slowly. So yeah, so I didn't have the time to mess with all of that before I left. So I ended up just getting some coil springs, put some coil springs in it. And just probably gonna leave it this way for now because it's less of a headache dealing with them bags. The bags is cool, don't get me wrong, but they do come with problems. So don't let nobody tell you different. Yeah, man, we headed to go check in now. And once we go check in, we gotta drop everything off. We probably gonna hang out for a while at the promised land. I'm pretty sure they let you chill and stuff out there. Oh, my phone. They let you chill and stuff out there once you drop everything off. So we probably just gonna chill out there. I'll probably get some footage of the cars and stuff so y'all can see some of the stuff that's gonna be out there tomorrow. And yeah, so I'm gonna probably pick the camera up when we get to the check-in spot. I want to kind of walk y'all through the whole process. I'm gonna see if I can, because y'all know sometimes with this show being as big as it is, they might trip about the camera and stuff like that. They may or may not, I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, I'll pick the camera back up once I get there. And again, man, shout out to y'all guys for that last video. Let's make this video do good. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. My goal is to try to hit 1,000 subscribers this year, so please, guys, make sure you share it. Tell a friend to tell a friend, tell a friend. Oh, also one more thing, next weekend we'll be in Daytona. My boy Cruz and Mel, and I think it's Exclusive Leaning or somebody like that, hosting a show in Daytona next weekend. So we'll be out there next weekend too for that one. So I'm gonna definitely record that one as well. So that'll be another video. But for now, we're gonna get to the activities for this weekend. So like I said, once I get to the check-in spot, I'll pick the camera back up. I'll show y'all the Tahoe. Y'all see them things back there. I'll show y'all what else we got here. And yeah, see you guys in a second. What's happening, y'all? Your boy Life with J, man. Back with another one, man. Y'all see where we at. The Promised Land VIP status, man, with my boy DJ Young Drew. Definitely gonna be turning this bitch up later, but for now, you know, we walking around checking out the cars and shit, you know what I'm saying? If y'all ain't been, definitely come check this shit out. One of the best shows ever. Y'all know they got the competition with the don'ts. Show them the don'ts real quick, man. So we got Holy Ghost, we got Bobby Brown, then we got Brown Sugar. Me personally, I'd have been asked by a few people. Me personally, if I had to pick, I'm taking Holy Ghost just because I don't really like the dark colors. I'm a light color guy, you know what I'm saying? And she clean, she's simple. That's just me though. But y'all, we gonna continue to get some of this footage. Check out this stuff around here. So make sure you like, share, subscribe the video, you know what I'm saying? And I'll catch y'all in the future. Ain't really too much to say. Really just gonna show them all the cars, you feel me? One day, you recording, right?
Yeah.
All right. This probably gonna be my last year coming. Next time I come, we're gonna have an old school for show. Hopefully me and my boy, you know what I'm saying, back to back. But this shit out here is crazy, bro. Y'all see this shit on the cars.
You know what I'm saying? So make sure you
Seen that? What's wrong with the bill? Oh, you don't like it? I like that color combination. That blue and that orange, that's different. I mean, we gotta come back this way. Hey.
He's down there. He won't come there. No, he's hanging out in the middle. Damn it, I hate the hood, bro. They come with my watering.
Don't forget about the phone.
I painted it last time.
Just
That's been like 10 years. Hydraulic steering. No!
up front.
Oh, I didn't realize you put a whole tent over it.
Up front.
Oh, I didn't realize you put a whole tent over it. Dude looked at him like he was dumb as shit. I was like, nigga, you get in my lane. Yeah, it's just hard.
My man got electric hydraulic jacks.
Yes, sir. Yeah, let everybody come in. We're gonna use the pool real quick. That's what I'm saying. We're not gonna just take one dive.
engine bay though.
She don't want a young nigga, she want a fuck her to sleep. Turn her into a millionaire. Get whatever you want, baby, anything. Her little pussy was tight, so I opened her Jeep, like, get in her, get in her, get in her. She said she 23, she don't want a young nigga, she want an OG. I'ma take it up.
They must forgot I'm the reason the whole hood ain't. Think I'm crazy and get baptized. Probably grandma with that something. Straight to school, but in the streets I was baptized. Yeah, I taught it back.
Hey, look at the hood. No. Oh, you said.
Calling all my jewelers up, asking what it's spent. your city live a mess. Them niggas think better come correct. I show the 75 respect. Yeah. Gotta watch how you come inside of this bitch wet. Holy Ghost, Holy Ghost, Holy Ghost. Oh my God, I feel it, I can feel it in my soul. Got the top down in my ride, I'm feeling high, but sitting low. 24's tomorrow, gotta come.
Hey, what my help say? Get me a chrome and put me in front of the bitch like this. Bro, I wanna go real something, niggas. Hey, look. Man, I left the shit in there.
With the $100 toilet paper?
Let me slide past you real quick. Excuse me. All right, here we go. So we got my boy Cali from Florida. I don't know what part. Tampa somewhere, ain't it? Central Florida. We'll call it that. So you win the key. You keeping it or selling it?
I might keep it for a couple months just to flex, and I'm gonna go get that check.
All right, guys, what's happening, man? I hope y'all enjoyed this video. As y'all can see, man, I want to say I probably took the world's first squatter truck to the promised land, bro. But that's definitely, you know, the title of this video. Had a good time, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the footage. Definitely got some good pictures and stuff too. I may post them in here. I might wait and just put them. I probably post them on my social media. So if y'all don't follow me already, go follow me on social media, Life with Jay. Or you can go to the Trucks R Us page, TRUKS_R_us, Trucks R Us. And y'all can see some of the people I met, some of the people I had conversations with. Shout out to Real, CJ on 32s. Let's see who else was in there I met. I met Real, CJ on 32s, Bag Talk. It was a lot of people, guys. Y'all just, you know, catch the footage, man, and y'all see who I was there. I ain't gonna lie, I'm ready to go take me a shower. It's been hot. It actually looked like it's gonna rain. I don't know if y'all could tell or not. But yeah, man, it was definitely straight. Definitely had a good time. Probably about to go to the house, clean up. Going to another spot later, but I ain't gonna get that on the video. We do got another show tomorrow. That'll probably be a video within itself. So make sure y'all, you know, like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, man, so y'all can catch all the good footage. And again, I appreciate y'all for watching. Let's run this video up like we did the last one. On the road to 1,000 subscribers. That's my goal. So let's make that happen. I appreciate y'all. Catch y'all on the next one.